So why do you have an oily scalp? When your hair and scalp is oily, it's because your scalp is producing too much oil, and this is usually caused from using harsh shampoos or because your diet is very acidic. So the way to fix this is to use a good hair oil. Now I know it sounds crazy, hair oil can fix an oily scalp. That's because hair oils contain plant extracts that are designed by nature to take care of this issue. It will rectify the balance so that the sebum levels are normal. And when your sebum levels or your natural hair oils are normal, your hair won't become oily again. I urge you to give it a try. You can use this product called Grow Hair Oil. It has herbs like amla, which has the highest vitamin C content of a fruit, about 30 more times vitamin C than orange. And this detoxes your scalp, opens the hair pores, and makes it less oily, okay? It has plants like HSI radix, which helps hair to grow as well. So try using an oil for your oily scalp. And remember, when you use a product like this, you're using very little, and the oil goes into the scalp and starts to work at the root level. So it will not make your hair heavy, it will not sit on your hair, and you need very, very little. I urge you to give it a try. Oily scalp, fix it with a good hair oil. Grow Hair Oil has the best 17 of the very most powerful plants you can use to grow your hair. Okay, it will fix the sebum problems. It will get your hair back to normal as it is, and your hair will begin to grow. Try it.